I'm the Connect product evangelist for Adobe Connect, and I've been the evangelist for this product for almost 8 years now. Prior to that, I was the product manager for Flash Media Server 1.0, the first release of it. It was codenamed Tin Can. Prior to that, I was product manager for Freehand, Authorware, Director, and those were all within Macromedia and Adobe over the last 10 years. Prior to that, I was a product manager in the 3D industry for 3D modeling and design, and I did that for a number of years. So I've been a product manager for about 20 years now. I think the biggest thing that drove this version of our product was great feedback from our customers that they really needed the product to be simpler to use. We didn't want to take away any of the power, but we did want to make it much easier for new users. We wanted to make it easier for casual users of the product. So we stepped back from the interface, and our teams really did a great job of looking at how they could simplify, how they could consolidate a lot of the functionality into fewer commands that did the same things. So we did a lot of that, and that was a huge effort and a great result. It's so much easier to use now. The other major thing we did was improve the integration. We integrated with a variety of other products that are out there that allow Adobe Connect to talk to telephony systems, for example, and integrate the telephony seamlessly into the product. We now can do bidirectional audio from somebody who is on a microphone and speakers on their laptop talking to somebody who's on the phone, and both work. The other thing that we integrated was additional things like video teleconferencing. So now you can use your Adobe Connect meeting to talk directly to a video teleconferencing device like a PictureTel or a Tandberg, and you can bring the video from that device directly into your meeting room, allowing anybody who is in the Adobe Connect meeting to see that video. We've done a number of other things that will improve integration, such as integration with XMPP-based chat systems and things like that. So there's a whole range of things that we've done to improve the integration, but also to make the product much simpler to use. We have a huge range of customers that are using Adobe Connect in the government, and we certainly have a long history with many of our customers who have been using it for years. Organizations at the federal level, like DISA, the Defense Information Systems Agency, they have an implementation that they've called Defense Connect Online, or DCO. It's used by organizations within DISA that provide humanitarian relief in foreign countries, like the Haiti relief efforts, or it's used to deliver training to servicemen and women who are perhaps in Iraq or Afghanistan, where the expert in a particular topic, maybe it's electronics maintenance, is here in the US, but they can meet online in order to give that training online. Another interesting use case is by the State Department. They've got a system that they call Connects. It's actually co.nx, and it is how they deliver webinars and presentations when many of the State Department officials are on the road. So when President Obama or Secretary of State Hillary Clinton is on the road, they can use Connects to deliver these large-scale webinars that are seen by people throughout the world. They're also recorded, and they're made immediately available on YouTube, so people can go and watch the recording even if they couldn't attend during the live presentation. But we have customers that are in various police departments, fire departments around the country. For example, the Miami-Dade Police Department uses Connect to deliver training to their officers when they can't be there for in-person training. They can still attend the training online. We see so many amazing uses of the product. In fact, perhaps one of my favorite is that I understand that one of our servicemen in Iraq saw his child being born through Connect.